Imagine the rhythm of the music flowing through you, your body moving in sync with the beat. That's the magic of belly dancing. Originating from the Middle East, this graceful dance form is a captivating blend of flexibility, strength, and control. At its heart, belly dance is about expression, a way to communicate emotions and stories through movement. Each sway, each twirl, each step tells a tale. And no two dancers are alike. Each brings their unique flair to this ancient art form. But it's not just about the dance. Belly dancing also offers a full-body workout, toning muscles from head to toe. It's a dance, a workout, an art, and a celebration of the human form all rolled into one. So next time you hear the mesmerizing beat of a darbuka drum, let your body move, let your spirit soar, and step into the enchanting world of belly dance. Remember, dance is a poem where every movement is a word. Embrace the rhythm, the beauty, the poetry of belly dance.